Hello and welcome to this lecture. Now that you know what are variables, let's take a look at the different types of variables, or also called as the data types, which we have in Python. In Python, the data types are classified into five major categories, and they are numbers, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. In the upcoming sections, we will be discussing about each of them in much more detail. Now let's take a quick review on what we have learned in this section on variables. We started this section by discussing about what are variables. They are reserved memory locations that are used to store values and are referenced by a name. And then we checked how to define a variable. You need to have a variable name followed by an assignment operator and then a value which you will be assigning to your variable. So in this example, we are assigning the value Sunday to the variable day. And then we check the different rules to define a variable. There are four rules you need to remember. Rule number one is a variable name should either begin with an alphabet or an underscore. Rule number two, variable names are case sensitive, which means you can have two variables of the same name provided they differ by case. Rule number three, variable name cannot be a reserved name. Now, reserved names are keywords such as for, if, while, etc., which we will be discussing in the upcoming sections. And the final rule you need to remember is that the only special character allowed to be a part of your variable name is the underscore character. So you cannot have characters such as the dollar symbol, the pound symbol, or any special character for that matter. And finally, we briefly looked at the different data types available in Python. They are numbers, string, list, tuple, and dictionary. So that's the end of review on this section on variables and data types. I have attached PDF notes and exercise problems for practice. Go through all of them. In case you're stuck, feel free to use the discussion board and I'll guide you from there. The next section is on numbers, where you will be learning how to handle numbers in Python. I'll see you there. Thank you.